Your price is too high. We will let you know. Well, our management is still thinking. Our boss is not in town. Well, if you are getting these responses from your customers and you are unable to close your deals, then Sales Manthan Foundation online course is the course that you must attend. Hi, my name is Mohnish Nair. I'm the founder and chief growth coach from Maple Dreams. Maple Dreams is India's premier business and sales coaching company established in 2007, and I help entrepreneurs and sales professionals to take their sales, business and life go to the next level. For the last 10 to 12 years, I've been conducting this Sales Manthan workshop across India, and now what I have done is formulated this into a short but effective online course with 19 segments and one bonus segment. In each segment, I am talking about what is sales in the post-COVID-19 era. I am talking about how to understand customer needs. I am talking about how to consultatively sell and connect the customer's problems to your solutions. I am talking about how not to be a product peddler but create value to the customer. I am talking about how to get the price that you deserve. I am talking about how to handle the post-COVID-19 customer psychology. I am talking about how to handle objections more effectively. I am talking about how to negotiate with the best of the strategies and get the deals at the price that you want. Well, if you want to learn all this, then you must enroll for this Sales Manthan Foundation online course. Please understand that in the post-COVID-19 era, sales skills is going to be the most powerful and the most needed skills. अगर आप में पावरफुल सेल्स स्किल्स लाने की इच्छा है, अगर आप चाहते हैं कि कोविड-19 के इस माहौल में आप अपने भाव पे अपनी प्रोडक्ट और सर्विस को बेचें, तो इस कोर्स को अभी एनरोल करें। ऑनलाइन फ़ी है, सस्ती फ़ी है, इस फ़ी पे इतना नॉलेज है जो हम हमारे वर्कशॉप में लेते हैं, उसकी ये 1/3 प्राइस पे मैं आपको ऑनलाइन कोर्स दे रहा हूँ। इस कोर्स को मिस मत कीजिए, अभी इस लिंक को क्लिक कीजिए और सेल्स मंथन फाउंडेशन कोर्स को एनरोल करके अपने सेल्स और बिजनेस को नेक्स्ट लेवल पे ले जाइए। व्हाट आर यू थिंकिंग? डोंट थिंक टू मच. Enroll now and take your sales and business to the next level. Make things happen.